Here I have OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings, and by tapping more. So for example, you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can also add people to exceptions, like for example some contacts or favorites might call you and send you messages even when Do Not Disturb mode is on. You can also add apps to exceptions. You can ring for repeated calls, and you can also mute media when Do Not Disturb is enabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.